Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Alpha Play and Earn Rewards review. Alpha is a new money-making application, but is it actually worth our time or not? Let me give you my opinion on today's review. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's kick this off. So this is what Alpha looks like when you first launch it up. Essentially, the whole goal of Alpha is to play games to earn Astra coins. You can then convert these Astra coins into real currency. The first thing I want you guys to understand is that apparently you must be over 18 to use Alpha. You can either log in with your Facebook or Google account, by the way. If you are not over 18, you will not be able to withdraw your balance. I'll give you my opinion on that soon. But for now, this is what it looks like when you finally create your account on Alpha. Top right corner of the screen, you have your Astra coins balance. Underneath that, you have the Explore Games area where you can earn your Astra coins by completing tasks. You can join up to their newsletter. You can invite friends and earn 1,000 of the Astra coins each for their first task. And you even have a daily streak that will reward you with coins. And finally, underneath that, you have the activity area where you can find all the offers that you've started off or completed. Bottom of the screen, you have three tabs: Play, Home, and Activity. Tapping on Play is how you actually earn on Alpha. Once tapping on the Earn tab, this is the screen that will appear. Essentially, each of the games that you play on Alpha are through an offer wall. You should, in theory, receive your reward within 15 minutes of completing the offer. It also suggests to reopen the offer wall to check the In Progress tab to make sure the offer has actually started. That's some pretty critical information. Okay, so this is essentially the bulk of what you're going to be doing on Alpha. This here is the offer wall section that features all the various games that you can install to earn these Astra coins, everyone. And now you're probably thinking, okay, how many Astra coins do I need to generate $1 worth of United States currency? Right at the top of the screen, you can see that you need 1,000 Astra coins for $1 worth of United States currency. There are actually two tabs as well. First one's Earn Astra coins. The second one is the In Progress tab. So I do appreciate the Alpha team for actually laying out their currency system in very easy to understand terms, because some applications don't even let you know the currency of what you're earning. So let's just say I want to complete this Yahtzee with Buddies dice game offer. I can potentially earn up to $16.40 worth of United States currency for completing it. Now here's the thing about these kind of offer wall systems, everyone. Make sure to obviously read the rules correctly so then you don't get screwed over if you finish it and then don't get rewarded. You can see that there's a time limit. For instance, this one must be completed within 28 days. But you'll also notice here, it's a multi-tiered offer, meaning for me to get the full reward of 16,400 of the coins, I need to make sure to complete each of the available offers here. You'll notice that the bottom one, aka completing player level 32, will give me almost $10 worth of USD for completing it, whereas these two combined will only give me $7 USD. I've noticed a lot more offer walls are doing this kind of system now, where they have like a progress earning system. There's a Gardenscapes offer that's willing to pay me $92 USD, Homescapes offer $85 USD. They even have a Today's Best area, which supposedly will give us the best reward for our time for today, which is Fishdom Solitaire for $59. Again though, this is why reading the offers is essential to your earning experience on Alpha. I have 30 days to complete this offer. For me to actually earn my $59 USD, I need to get to level 750, everyone, for the bulk of the reward here, where you can see again, the two above are quite minuscule. But then you have some insane offers as well. This is without a doubt the highest offer I think I've ever seen. $218 USD. And you can complete this within 60 days. Here are all the different tiers to this offer, everyone. I have no idea how hard this is, but the fact that you can earn $218 is really insane to me. The way that I generally sort out these offers is the higher the reward, the more difficult it's going to be in the long run. Alrighty, let me show you the correct way to install an offer. Tapping on Climb the Mountain here, for instance, will take me to the offer page. Here you can see I can earn 183 Astra coins. All I need to do is reach level 15. So let me tap on the Earn button now to start this offer off. So obviously it takes you to the Play Store. Now that it's installed, I simply press play. So now if you remember what the rules said when I first joined Alpha, I have to close this, go back to Alpha, check the In Progress page, and then actually continue with the offer. Alrighty, now it says In Progress 1, and now it states that the app has been installed, and that should be all I need to do now to kick this off. What about if I try the Lucky Day Win Real Money offer to scratch the cards 5 times? This will supposedly reward me with 64 cents. Gonna tap on the earn button now, going to install Lucky Day, and now supposedly all I need to do is just scratch these scratcher cards 5 times. So just doing that now, there we go, apparently just won 50 cents on this app. Let's scratch again, here we go, $1 supposedly. I can continue to scratch, done, apparently got a jackpot of sorts. Keep on scratching here, supposedly won another 50 cents. So now I have to watch an advertisement to scratch again apparently, for a second chance at winning. Let me just do that now. Right, let's scratch this card again. What will we win? Obviously, make sure the offer you choose as well is actually a fun application to play, because Lucky Day is a trash application in my own opinion, and there's a few bad ones on Alpha as well. But for the review's sake, I'm doing it. Let's scratch again here. Got some more coins apparently. Continue to scratch. This should be it now, hopefully. All right, let's scratch again. Apparently got a jackpot of coins. Alright, so hopefully I've scratched 5 cards now. So let's go back to Alpha and see if it's updated. Remember, it did say it could take up to 15 minutes. Alright, so just launched Alpha back up. Under the activity tab, you can see there's a little notification. Now it states I've earned a new reward of 641 of these coins. It has the date when I completed the task, and now I simply just have to claim them. So tapping claim now states that I've claimed my reward. And you can see here my balance has been updated. And looking at my account balance here, you can see I have 64 cents United States currency. Now what if I tap on the withdraw button? Well everyone, you need 10,000 of the coins in order to withdraw on Alpha. That equals $10 United States. So that's a pretty high minimum cash out right there in my own opinion. You will need to verify your profile on Alpha. Tapping on the verify button brings up the KYC area, which is the know your customer area. Now, get a load of this, guys. In order to cash out on Alpha, you may need to supply your first name and last name, ID documentation, and your resident address. Plus, of course, your details need to match your PayPal account details. Now, does that mean Alpha is a scam or not legit? Look, honestly, I believe they will pay you, but I'm not a fan of submitting my identification for like $10 or $20 out there. I just don't like it, personally. But if you're okay with those rules, then Alpha is actually a pretty decent alternative to earn money online by playing games through an offer wall system. I mean, it has some pretty fantastic prices, but it has a super strict rule system where you have to be over 18 and you're going to have to supply identification, okay? The support page states that this Astra app is a gateway for players to the Web3 world. So that is, of course, cryptocurrency, everyone. Alpha does include a cryptocurrency wallet, by the way. Going to the settings tab, you can find your wallet. You can see this is my QR code and the address on my wallet, which I can obviously copy and paste to people to get payments. But from what I can see, you can definitely receive PayPal currency from Alpha, so it's not just crypto. So at the time of this recording, I can say Alpha is pretty decent, probably not for everyone though. But now after watching this review, at least you know what to expect out there with Alpha, and from what I've seen and read the reviews of, payment's fairly quick within a week or so. So that is a pretty big positive at least for Alpha. If you guys want other applications that will pay you to play games, simply check out the description of this video. I'll have some links there for you that require no identification, or at least none like that. Stay safe out there. Let me know what you think of Alpha in the comment section below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.